Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn about the uses of computers. First of all, I will read out the lines and you look into your books. Computers can be used to do many different things. Let us learn about some activities people use computers for. So do you know what type of things we can do by using a computer? We can use a computer to play games, to write something, to do sums, to watch some videos, to watch the pictures and store those things in the computer. So today in this lesson we will learn about some of the activities that people do or we do by using a computer. The first activity that we can do using a computer is making bills. Now let's read the lesson first. Sanat is at the fast food center. He wants to get a pizza and fries. The man at the counter looks at his keyboard. It has pictures of food items instead of letters and numbers. He presses the keys for pizza and fries. The computer works out the money and prints a bill. Sanat pays the bill and takes the food. So what happened in here? Sanat went to a fast food center. Sanat is at a fast food center. Then why did he go to the fast food center? He wants to buy a pizza and fries. Have you tasted pizza? Okay, next time you try a pizza whenever you get a chance. Next, the man at the counter looks at his keyboard. What did the man at the counter do? He has a computer and he looks at his keyboard. It has pictures of the food items instead of letters and numbers. What do we normally have in the keyboard? We have letters and numbers in a keyboard. But in that keyboard, which the man at the counter had, that keyboard consists of some pictures of food items instead of the letters and numbers. So, what he does is, he presses the key for pizza and fries. He have two separate keys for pizza and fries. The computer works out the money and prints a bill. The computer, what does it do? It works out the money. That means it calculates the money and prints a bill. And it prints a bill in a paper by using a printer. Sanat pays the bill and takes the food. Then what does Sanat do? He pays the bill. Whatever the amount is printed on the bill, he pays that bill amount and takes the food. And he took the food. Now, the second activity, buying tickets. Shelley wants to buy tickets for the next film show. The man at the ticket window has a computer. He checks it to see if there are seats. Then he prints the ticket and gives them to Sally. So what Sally did is she wanted to watch a film. So she went to buy tickets for the next film show. She went to the counter. The man at the ticket window has a computer. The man who was sitting in the ticket counter had a computer. He checks the computer to see if there are any seats available for Shelley. Since the tickets were available, he prints the tickets and gives them to Shelley. Look at the next paragraph. Computers at rail or air reservation offices work in the same way. They tell us if there are any empty seats. The ticket reservation systems of the airplane and the train also has some computers. They work in the same way as that of the ticket counters in the cinema hall. So, what those computers will do is they will tell us if there are any empty seats, and if there are empty seats, then our tickets will be booked and we will get a receipt. Let's turn to the next page. We can also listen to songs by using a computer. Let's read the lines. Dolly wants to listen to music. She has a music CD in her computer. The speakers provide the sound. Do you like music? Do you listen to music and songs? Like you, Dolly also wants to listen to the music. And what does she have? She have a music CD. Have you seen a CD? The round CD one. Okay, I've shown you in the picture. So the speakers provide the sound. We can hear the sound from the speakers. In the picture, you can see a boy and a girl. They are Gaurav and Binita. Gaurav and Binita have machines in their hands that give music. What are the machines that they have in their hand? They have an iPod and a MP3 player. Both these machines are small computers with inbuilt speakers. Do you know that the mobile phone is also a small computer? We can do all the things that we do using a computer in a mobile phone. Let's go to the next paragraph. So what else can you do with a computer? We can draw pictures, right? Okay. Kanika is an artist. She uses her computer to draw pictures. So what do we use to draw a picture? We generally use a paper and a pen. But some of you have drawn some pictures in the computers, right? She colors the pictures. Then she saves them on her computer. So I think you all have drawn some pictures in Paint. Paint is a computer software that we use to draw pictures in a computer. You have all used Paint in your practical classes. Have you seen pictures and posters near the road? Okay. Deepak uses his computer to make posters and signboards. He prints them in a big size to put up in the market. So, how big are the posters in the market? They're very big, right? These big posters that you see in the market are made in a computer. Have you ever watched a movie in a computer or a laptop or a mobile phone? We all have watched a movie or a video, right? Okay, now look at the lines. The Bora family watches a film on their computer at home. The boy is waiting at an airport. He is watching a film on a small DVD player. He can carry the DVD player from place to place. So while waiting at the airport, the boy was watching a film on a small DVD player, like the mobile phone or a laptop. I think you all have watched videos and films in your mobile phone or in your parents' mobile phone, right? We can carry those from place to place and watch movie wherever we like. Another use of computer is sending messages. Like you send messages through the telephone or the mobile phone, we can send messages using computers too. And those messages which are sent using computers are called emails. An email can be sent to anywhere in the world. So you can send an email from your home to America or Australia or anywhere in the world. So now I will read out the book. You look into your books. An email can be sent anywhere in the world. Emails can be sent from a home computer or one in an office. It can even be sent from a shop with many computers. Such a shop is called a cyber cafe. So what is a cyber cafe? A cyber cafe is a shop with many computers from which we can send messages or surf the internet. The next use of computer is for keeping records. Keeping records. Thousands of patients visit a hospital. A hospital keeps records of their many patients. They use computer for this. That is to keep the records of the patients. The hospital uses a computer. I think you have all understood till here. So let's turn to the next page. Have you ever visited a bank? If you have visited a bank, I think you have seen a man sitting in the counter who uses a computer to keep all the records of the customers. So now let's read the lines. A bank has many customers. It also uses computers to keep records of the money of their customers. So if we go to the bank to keep our money or deposit our money, the record of our money is recorded in a computer. Similarly, the police station also keeps the record of the criminals or the people who do bad things. Okay? So now let's read the lines. A police station also keeps records on computers. These records are not of you or me, but of the people who break rules. Next paragraph. A supermarket keeps a record of things it sells. This way, they know when to order an item that is sold out. So what are supermarkets? Supermarkets are big shops. They have lot of things inside them. And to check whether an object is finished or not, they keeps the record of the items or goods using a computer. So let's turn to the next page. What else can you use a computer for? We can use a computer for making presentations. Have you seen a presentation? I think you have all seen a presentation in the class. Sometimes our teachers used to bring a projector and shows us something in the wall. So that is a presentation. Let's read from the book. Making presentations. A presentation is a talk addressed to a group of people. Just a talk can make people bored. A computer makes talk interesting by presenting text, pictures, and sounds. Sometimes when I talk to you for a very long time, you may feel boring. But if I show you some pictures, text, or videos along with my talks, then it will be very interesting, right? So in a presentation, we present text, pictures, and sound that can make our talk interesting. The presentations that we make are then displayed by using a projector. So dear students, have you understood the lesson? You read this lesson at home and watch the video again. Let's look at the summary of the lesson. What we have learned. We have learned that computers are used in shops to place order and make bills. Number 2, computers are used at railway station, airports, and cinema halls to buy tickets. Number 3, computers are used to listen to songs. Number 4, computers are used in home, offices, and shops to send messages. And number 5, computers are used to watch films. Number 6, computers are used to draw pictures and posters. Number 7, computers are used to keep records in hospital, banks, offices, and police station. And number 8, computers are used to make presentations. So this is the end of the lesson. We will discuss the question answers in another video. Thank you.